Today, I'm going to show you how to operate POS functions in FoodyMe app. Now, go to POS screen. Under POS screen, you can generate three kinds of invoices. One is dine-in, another one is delivery, and another one is pickup. First, let's put an invoice using dine-in. Now, I'm assigning a table where customer came and sit. The table number T01. Now, assume that the customer asking for a egg fried rice. I am entering the egg fried rice in the invoice. Here's the buttons. I'm explaining these buttons functions. KOT means you are sending the order to the kitchen. KOT and print means you are printing that order for kitchen. Bill means when the customer asking for first bill to pay you, you can generate the bill. And if you want to print the bill, you can just click bill and print. Once the customer pay you, you can click bill and payment and finish the order. Now I'm sending the KOT to the kitchen. Okay. Now if you go to tables and tables, you can see here under T01 table, there are one KOT is running. Now, let's assume that the customer is asking for another egg fried rice from table number T01. To add another egg fried rice to the table number T01, you have to go to tables and tables, new KOT under T01 table. Now I'm adding another egg fried rice for table number T01 and click KOT. Now from the table number T01, the customer asking for another veg fried rice. So I'm going to tables and new KOT and adding the veg fried rice. Click KOT. Now the customer, okay, we are going to finish the order. Please give us a bill. If the customer asking for the bill from the table number T01, you have to go to the tables and tables. Under the table number T01, click show orders. If you click show order, you can see all the items the customer ordered and took. So, as I explained you already about these buttons, now I'm going to generate the first bill and print it. Okay, I am sending this bill to the customer to collect the payment. Now, let's say the waiter is bringing the money from the customer from table number T01. So I'm going to record the payment and finish the bill. Go to tables and after that show order. Okay. Now add payment. Click add payment. And if you want to show the balance amount you should return to the customer, you just type the amount the customer paid. 5,000. Okay. As you can see here, amount to be returned 2,580 and click complete payment. That's all. The order is completed. If you want a print, you can print here. If you go to tables and check the table number T01, the table number T01 is clear now because the order is completed. Likewise, you can put the delivery bill, pickup bill in the same way. For delivery bill, there won't be any table assigned because it's a delivery bill. You have to give the select delivery executive. For pickup bill, you don't need anything, just generate the bill as I show you. I hope it will help you to understand